To understand the best practices for Axie Infinity Axie classes, it is essential to start with the basics of the game. Axie Infinity is a blockchain-based game where players collect and breed digital creatures known as Axies. Each Axie has its unique characteristics and belongs to one of 9 classes. The 9 classes in Axie Infinity are Beast, Plant, Reptile, Bird, Aquatic, Bug, Mech, Dawn and Dusk. Understanding these classes is vital as they determine the strengths and weaknesses of each Axie. For example, certain classes have an advantage over others in battles, with Beast Axies being strong against Reptile and Bird Axies, but weak against Plant and Aquatic Axies. When building a team of Axies, it is crucial to consider the class advantages and disadvantages to create a balanced team. A well-rounded team should have a mix of Axies with different classes to cover each other's weaknesses. Additionally, players should also consider the Axie's stats and abilities, such as health, speed, and attack power, to ensure a strong team. Another key concept in Axie Infinity is the breeding system, where players can breed 2 Axies to produce a new offspring. The class of the offspring is determined by the classes of the parent Axies, with some classes being more likely to produce certain offspring classes. Understanding the breeding system and the class probabilities can help players breed Axies that fit their desired class and stats. To maximize the potential of Axies, players should also consider their morph, which determines their physical appearance and stats. Some morphs are more valuable than others, and certain classes are more likely to have rare and valuable morphs. In conclusion, understanding the Axie classes and their advantages and disadvantages is essential for success in Axie Infinity. By building a balanced team, considering the breeding system, and understanding the morphs, players can create a strong and competitive team of Axies. By following these best practices, players can improve their chances of winning battles and increase their overall enjoyment of the game.